Hey coffee lovers, check out the Wenqik 8-in-1 espresso knockbox and coffee organizer. Crafted from robust wood at 9.5 by 9.5 inches, it saves precious counter space. This comprehensive set includes a 58mm solid wood tamping station and a distributor. You also get a magnetic powder ring, a cleaning brush, a powder press, and water nets. The innovative non-slip design ensures a completely stable base during vigorous use. It organizes all your coffee accessories to keep your kitchen station clean and uncluttered. Upgrade your daily routine and enjoy a smooth brewing experience at home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.